There is one expense that tops education in Iowa, and that is health care. Some Iowa parents say the managed Medicaid program is in crisis. The problem is being exacerbated by the pandemic, and it is leaving the most vulnerable among us without the care they need. WHO 13's Justin Surrency has this follow-up.
If a nightmare was a symphony, Tim Gerzema would play it beautifully. Last week, Tim and his 3 roommates were forced to move from their Johnston townhome due to staffing shortages at Candeo, Iowa, which provides assisted living services to disabled Iowans through Medicaid funding.
A lot of unknowns and just kind of very unexpected.
Natalie Brands' son, Ben Jones, is one of Tim's roommates. The Brands were told it could last a minimum of 4 weeks due to staffers testing positive for COVID or leaving the profession.
He has a home to come to. He can be safe in that regard, but we both do work, so it is not going to work very well.
Tim's mother, Mary, sees 1 month easily turning into more.
And to get the people hired, all the training done, and then get them familiar with the guys. I mean, I'm not sure 4 weeks is realistic, to be honest with you.
Candeo, Iowa isn't alone. The workforce shortage and finding employees for similar groups providing Medicaid services is a national problem.
I think Tim, when he was working at Walmart, was making more per hour than some people.
Candeo needs candidates. Just a few days ago on January 28th, 11 job openings were posted on their website. From a human resources manager, full-time, making up to $65,000 a year, to a part-time transportation specialist at $15 an hour. 9 of the 11 positions are also offering an incentive of a $1,000 signing bonus.
And that person has to be responsible for a lot of individuals, their care, their daily schedule, their hygiene, I mean, just a lot of safety issues.
New hires are the missing note. That will help Ben, Tim, and their roommates continue their composition of a life they were thriving in.
We try to advocate for the boys as much as we can, but you know, unless we really are involved on a much higher level, I'm not sure anything that we do gets heard.
That was our Justin Surrency reporting. If you have questions about jobs at Candeo, just head to their website, candeoiowa.org/careers. The families in Justin's story are still in the process of trying to find other options for their sons.